Best lenses for Canon EOS R100. As the Canon EOS R100 continues gaining popularity among beginners and budget-friendly creators, the demand for high-quality, compatible lenses has never been higher. Buyers want sharper images, durable construction, smooth autofocus, and excellent value, whether for portraits, landscapes, or wildlife. This guide evaluates each lens based on type, build quality, optical performance, versatility, and overall value, helping you choose the best additions to elevate your EOS R100 shooting experience. Product number 1. Canon EF 50mm Fast 1.8 STM Lens. The Canon EF 50mm Fast 1.8 STM, also known as the Nifty 50, remains one of the most iconic budget prime lenses, and it works beautifully with the EOS 100 when paired with the EF to RF adapter. With its bright f1.8 aperture, this lightweight lens delivers excellent background blur, making it ideal for portraits, street photography, and low-light scenes. The STM motor ensures quiet, accurate autofocus, especially useful for video shooters experimenting with cinematic looks. Despite its affordable price, the lens produces crisp, contrast-rich images with minimal distortion. Its compact design makes it comfortable to carry anywhere, while the solid plastic build still holds up well for everyday use. For R100 users wanting to unlock shallow depth of field effects without spending much, the EF 50mm f1.8 STM remains one of the most practical and rewarding upgrades.
Product number 2. Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM Lens. Designed specifically for Canon's mirrorless RF mount, the RF 50mm f1.8 STM offers improved optical performance and handling compared to its EF counterpart. It mounts directly onto the EOS R100 without an adapter, maintaining a compact and perfectly balanced setup. The fast f1.8 aperture delivers impressive low-light capability and beautifully creamy bokeh, making it a go-to lens for portraits, lifestyle shots, and artistic photography. Its STM autofocus is quiet and smooth, and the improved lens coatings boost sharpness and reduce flaring. The customizable control ring adds convenience for adjusting ISO, aperture, or exposure compensation. Build quality is robust for the price, offering good durability without adding bulk. For EOS R100 users wanting a lightweight, modern prime with excellent everyday versatility, the RF 50mm f1.8 STM is a sharp and highly dependable choice.
Product number 3. Canon RF 100 400mm f5.6-8 Lens. The Canon RF 100 400mm f5.6-8 IS-USM is a powerhouse telephoto zoom lens, perfect for wildlife, sports, aviation, and outdoor action photography. Paired with the EOS R100's APS-C crop factor, it delivers an impressive 160 to 640 mm equivalent reach, giving users remarkable zoom capability in a compact package. The lens features Canon's Nano USM motor, which provides lightning-fast autofocus and excellent subject tracking, ideal for fast-moving scenes. With built-in optical image stabilization, handheld shooting becomes smoother and more reliable, even at longer focal lengths. Image quality is surprisingly sharp for a lens at this price, with good contrast and chromatic aberration control. Despite its long reach, the lens is lightweight and well-balanced, making it comfortable for extended shooting sessions. For R100 users seeking maximum zoom power without the bulk or cost of professional super telephoto lenses, the RF 100 400mm is a standout value choice.
Product number 4. Canon RFS 18 to 45mm f4.5 to 6.3 Lens. The Canon RF S18 to 45mm f4.5 to 6.3 is the ideal everyday zoom lens for EOS R100 owners. Compact, lightweight, and highly versatile. As an APS-C specific lens, it delivers a practical 29 to 72 mm equivalent focal range, covering everything from wide landscapes to tighter lifestyle shots. This renewed version offers excellent value while maintaining Canon's dependable optical quality. The lens features smooth autofocus, reliable sharpness across the zoom range, and a retractable design that keeps your kit ultra-portable. It's perfect for travel, casual shooting, family events, and beginners learning the fundamentals of focal lengths. While the maximum aperture is modest, the lens performs well in good lighting and produces natural colors and pleasing contrast. For R100 buyers who want an affordable starter or replacement kit lens with surprising performance and convenience, the RFS 18 to 45mm Renewed Edition is a smart budget-friendly pick.
Product number 5. Canon EF 75 to 300mm lens. For EOS R100 users wanting extreme zoom on a budget, the Canon EF 75 to 300mm f4 to 5.63 paired with a 2x telephoto extender offers substantial reach. When used with an EF to RF adapter, this setup delivers a massive effective focal length, ideal for wildlife, moon photography, distant landscapes, or outdoor sports. The lens provides decent clarity at mid-range zoom levels and handles outdoor lighting conditions well. Autofocus is straightforward and reliable, and the overall build is lightweight, making it manageable for handheld shooting despite the long reach. The included 2x telephoto lens doubles your zoom capability, though best results come in bright environments to maintain sharpness. This combination is most appealing for hobbyists who want to experiment with long-distance shooting without investing in premium telephotos. It's a cost-effective entry point into extreme zoom photography with the EOS R100.